Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to monitor Bluehost uptime. I just tab on Safari browser. And what is uptime monitoring? Uptime monitoring is an automated way of checking whether a service such as a website or an application is available when service goes down during an outage. Uptime monitoring spot the issue and alert the right person on the development team. So here it's an monitoring meaning on Bluehost. So Bluehost server uptime monitoring. Bluehost is a popular web hosting service that offers various hosting plans, including shared hosting, VPS hosting, dedicated hosting, and WordPress hosting. Here's how we monitor our servers. And if you want to buy the premium or subscription of Bluehost, please go through the link in description for referral code. Hope this video help you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.